welcome legendary and original disco diva, platinum and gold Grammy-nominated disco lady, Miss Maxine Nightingale.
Do you remember that day, that sunny day, when you first came my way? I said no one could take your place. And if you get hurt, by the little things I say, I can put that smile back on your face.
And I look at this album, and there are two beautiful creatures on the front of this album. You'll see what I mean in a moment. One is human and one is not. They're both beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, please greet Miss Maxine Nightingale.
Come on and lead me on, tease me all night long. Loving you, I know it's right. I'll always need you, I'll never leave you. Come on and lead me on, tease me all night long. I'd rather be a fool with a broken heart than someone never had a part of you. But they said it really loud, said it on the air, on the radio. Whoa, on the radio. Whoa, on the radio. And baby, we can do it. Take the time, do it right. We can do it, baby. Do it tonight. Just can't break the ooh, young heart, run free. Never be hung up like my man and me. Oh, I love the nightlife. I love to boogie on the disco. Yeah. Feel the rhythm of the music getting stronger. Don't you fight it till you try and do the conga beat. When the guitar player starts playing with the syncopated rhythm and scratch, 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 make me wanna move my body. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn the beat around, yeah. Got to hate percussion. Better, talking about the Sanders. Talking about bad girl. Friday night and stripping hot, hot. Sun going down and they're about to drop. I'm trying to spirits high and they look hot. Do you want a good time? So let's dance, the let's dance, let's dance, the let's dance, let's dance, the let's dance tonight. Beside me, you got me, hold me, scold me, 'cause when I'm bad, oh, I'm bad. Come on, baby, dance, dance, dance. Come on, baby, dance, dance, dance. Come on, baby, dance, dance, dance. Come on, baby.
A lot of fun. It was very energetic. Great music. Great dancing.
Awesome. Dancers are amazing. Maxine's amazing.
My young grandson enjoyed it.
She sounds better now than most people do in their prime.
I love the show. It took me back, and I felt like it was 16 again.
Dances were outrageously terrific.
It's so much energy. It's the best show in Atlantic City.
The Maxine Nightingale show was fabulous.
Oh my God, it was a great show. We just awesome.
Maxine Nightingale is an amazing performer.
It's uplifting music.
Beautiful show.
So my youngest son, 9 years old, and he's the biggest fan. He had a choice. He asked me who would he choose, Justin Bieber, Michael Jackson, or Maxine, and I thought he would say Justin Bieber. He said, no way, Maxine Nightingale is my favorite. So I'm a huge fan. The bonding experience I had with him throughout the show is priceless.